Hey guys, welcome to Clarity Chart Analysis. In this channel, I'll be interpreting, analyzing the market structure, telling us our current position on the price chart, and predicting the next possible move of the market. But first, if you're new to this channel and you want to make money on both directions of the market, you want to know our current position on the price market chart, this channel is for you. Please subscribe, like, and put on the notification to notify you anytime I drop a new video. So guys, in this video, I'll be analyzing the Brand protocol. At the point of recording this video, the Brand protocol is number 269 position on the coin market cap, and it has a symbol of BAND, B-A-N-D. Currently trading at the rate of $1.81. It has a market cap of 63.6 million and a fully diluted market cap of 179 million. So guys, what's the BAND protocol? The BAND protocol is a cross-chain data oracle platform that is able to take real-world data and supply it to an on-chain application, while also connecting apps to smart contracts to facilitate the exchange of information between on-chain and off-chain data sources. By supplying reputable, verifiable, real-world data to blockchains, BAND protocol unlocks a range of new use cases for developers to explore, since they can now use any type of real-world data as part of their decentralized application dApps, logic including sports, weather, random numbers, price, feed data, and more. BAND protocol initially launched as an ERC20 project on the Ethereum blockchain in September 2019, but transitioned into a Cosmos network in June 2020 with a release of BAND protocol 2.0. The new protocol is built on a BandChain using the Cosmos SDK. Oracle nodes on BandChain not only relay data but are also involved in block production validation, giving them a dual role. BAND is a native token of a BAND protocol ecosystem, and it is used as collateral by validators involved in fulfilling data requests, as well as main medium of exchange on BandChain, being used to paying for private data. So guys, where can we get it? We can get the BAND protocol token on Binance, Codebase, Qcoin, Codebase Exchange, Kraken, Uniswap. So welcome to the BAND protocol against USDT price chart. As you can see, I've already labeled out my market structure. I use yellow to map out my major structure, which is my daily time frame, and I use red to map out my minor structure, which is my 4-hour time frame. So guys, the main purpose for this video is to use market structure to analyze, to know our current position on the price chart, and also use the market structure to predict the possible next move of the market. But guys, let's have this behind our mind, that after every break of structure, there is always a pullback. So guys, I'll be using this tool to show us our move on the market chart price. I'll be using this green tool to show us our bullish move, while I'll be using the red tool to show us our bearish move. So guys, after the BAND protocol was launched in September 2019, we saw that it was launched on the price of $2.3, and the bears came into the market. The price fell to about $0.277. So guys, the first break of structure we're seeing is the bullish trend, is the bulls. They broke structure to the upside, taking price from that $0.277. They took it to about $17.7. Guys, from there, remember, they just broke a structure to the upside, and after a break of structure, what do we expect? We expect a pullback. Sure, the bears came back, took the price from that $17.7, took it down back to about $5.6. But guys, remember, as long as this lower high is not taken out, we should expect more break of structure to the upside. So after every break of structure, we should expect a pullback. The bears came in, took price from that $17, took it back down to about $3. And guys, remember, as long as this higher low that gave us this higher high is not taken out, we should expect more break of structure to the upside. The bulls came back, took the price from $3 and take it back to $20. Guys, we just seen another break of structure. After a break of structure, you should expect a pullback. Sure, the bears came back, took price from that $20, took it back to about $10. And guys, as long as this low high is not taken out, more structure to the upside should be what we should be expecting. And sure, you saw the bulls, they came back, took price from that $10 and took it back to about $23, expecting a pullback. Sure, we got a pullback. The bears came in, broke structure to the downside. Now guys, remember I said anytime we see a break of structure to the upside and to the downside, we should go back to the supply or demand zone that gave us that break of structure. We should map it out, because when next price approach that supply or demand zone, there's going to be a significant reaction, and that's what we've seen. I just map out this supply zone for the nearest future to be vigilant and expect a reaction here. So the bears took price from $23 and took it down to about $4. Guys, power has changed. Now the bears are now in control of the market. Guys, expecting a pullback, the bulls came back, took price from that $4 and took it back to about $11. But guys, the strength was not enough. The bears came back, took price from that $11 back to about $3. Guys, bears are in control of the market. If you be trading at this point, you should be looking for opportunity to sell, not buy at this point. Guys, expecting a pullback, sure, the bulls came back, took price from that $3, rallied back to about $6. But because this lower high that gave us this lower low is not taken out, guys, what do you expect? We should expect more break of structure to the downside. Sure, the bears came back, took price from that $6 and break structure down to the downside, took price back to about $0.3. Guys, currently now we are in a bearish trend. Anything we'll be doing here should be shorting the market. So now guys, our minor structure now is in between this lower high and this lower low. Let's move to our 4-hour time frame to analyze our minor structure. So guys, on our minor structure, we just saw a break of structure to the downside. The bears took the price from about $5.5, took it back to about $2.7. Guys, the bulls came back, because after every break of structure, we should expect a pullback. Actually, it was actually a minor pullback. They took price from that $2.7, rallied back to about $3.4. And guys, because it was actually a bearish trend, we should expect more break of structure to the downside. Sure, bears came back, took price from that $3.4, took it back to about $1.2. Guys, that's a break of structure to the downside. We should expect a pullback. Sure, the bulls came back, pulled price from that $1.2. They took it back to about $2.7. But guys, because this is a bearish trend and this lower high that gave us this lower low is not taken out, we should expect more break of structure to the downside. Guys, so the bears came back, took price from that $2.7, rallied downward to about $0.9. Guys, what do we see? We see that the bears are in control of the market. But guys, let's look at this. We're expecting a pullback. Sure, getting a pullback. Price broke structure back to the upside, breaking the lower high that gave us this lower low. So now the bulls took price from that $0.9 and rallied back to about $3.5. Currently now we just seen a break of structure to the upside. What do we expect? We expect pullback, and sure, we're getting a pullback. So guys, to the $1 million question, what's our current position on the Band USDT price chart? We just saw a break of structure on our major time frame to the downside. Sure, price just broke structure to the downside. So now we're expecting a pullback. Sure, we're seeing a pullback, but are we sure this is the end of the pullback? Because it's possible price can still come back to the supply zone. And on our minor structure, we just saw a break of structure to the downside, expecting a pullback. Our pullback broke structure to the upside. Guys, we're expecting a pullback. Sure, we're seeing a pullback. Is it possible that this pullback will take price to this major supply zone? So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think? Do you think at this current price will come back to this demand zone, break the demand zone and go back to this major demand zone? Or from this demand zone, price will go back to this supply zone, and from the supply zone, break downward? Thank you for watching this video. If you are new to this channel and you want to make money on both direction of the market. Subscribe, like, put on the notification so that when next I drop the new video, you'll be notified.